Hello, my name is Mike Jones. I'm the CEO for 4Point Strategic Holdings. Our culture here is grounded on accountability, speed, and execution. I empower my teams to problem solve with our customers' issues on a daily basis. We want to be your extended workbench and we want to help you every day. Let's talk. Let's get something going. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Chris Campbell. I'm the General Manager here at 4Point Support Services. We specialize in OEM approved repairs, everything from paint and trim to reflashes to component swaps, both in-plant and off-site. Our teams are built around speed, precision, and consistency. We support large-scale quality campaigns, handle in-plant repairs, and operate a dedicated ITR team where we send crews that travel directly to storage yards to complete repairs on-site.
Hi, I'm Bill Barquette with 4Point Support Services. We're growing our team and I'm looking forward to seeing some new faces in the shop. At 4Point, we value people who show up, work hard, and take pride in doing our job right. We're excited about what's ahead and we hope you'll be part of it.
4Point Support Services is a finished vehicle operations partner delivering diagnostics, light to heavy repairs, low-bake paint repairs, quality reassurance, and finished vehicle logistics to assembly plants nationwide. With 16 years of industry experience and over 62,000 completed repairs from 2020 to 2025 alone, we operate as a direct extension of plant production, ensuring vehicles are factory-ready, compliant, and delivered without disrupting throughput. 4Point Support Services protects production and delivers quality with our 4Point Quality System. We diagnose, repair, validate, and release finished vehicles back to OEM standards quickly, safely, and without slowing the line. Today, every finished vehicle typically moves through multiple locations, multiple handoffs, and multiple points of exposure before reaching the dealer. 4Point Support Services provides a simplified, localized solution. By setting up and operating within 5 miles of each assembly plant and utilizing existing yard infrastructure, we are able to reduce operational complexity, shorten vehicle movement distance, and most importantly, eliminate unnecessary handling events. With 4Point Support Services, repair, storage, quality reassurance, and release all happen within a single controlled flow. That means fewer touches, less exposure to damage, lower transportation and labor cost, and faster return of factory-ready vehicles back into distribution. Simply put, less movement equals less risk. Less risk equals lower cost. Lower cost creates measurable value for the automotive plant. When production depends on precision, speed, and trust, OEM partners choose a team that delivers all three.